Hey everyone! If you're looking for a natural way to get rid of parasites and cleanse your body, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to tell you about the incredible benefits of raw garlic, nature's own parasite cleanser. First up, how does raw garlic help eliminate parasites? Well, garlic contains two powerful compounds called allicin and ajoene. These compounds have been shown to kill parasites and support overall digestive health. Now let's get into the science behind its anti-parasitic powers. When you crush or chop garlic, it releases allicin, which has antimicrobial properties that help destroy harmful organisms, including parasites. Allicin is like nature's own little soldier, fighting off those unwanted guests in your body. So what's the best way to eat garlic for maximum effect? You want to eat 1 to 2 raw garlic cloves on an empty stomach daily. Here's a pro tip. Crush the garlic and let it sit for about 10 minutes before consuming. This waiting period allows the allicin to activate, making it even more potent. I know what you're thinking. Eating raw garlic can be a bit, well, intense. But don't worry, I've got some tips to make it more palatable and stomach-friendly. You can mix the crushed garlic with a little honey or lemon water to help mask the strong taste. Trust me, it makes a big difference. Remember, while raw garlic is powerful, it's always a good idea to consult a healthcare provider before starting any new health regimen. And for those of you who've already tried garlic for cleansing, drop your experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear how it worked for you. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell for more powerful natural remedies and wellness tips. Stay healthy, stay happy, and until next time, keep those parasites at bay with some good old raw garlic. Thanks for watching. Garlic has been used for centuries in various cultures for its medicinal properties. From ancient Egypt to modern-day kitchens, this humble bulb has stood the test of time. Its benefits go beyond just fighting parasites. It also boosts the immune system, lowers blood pressure, and even improves cholesterol levels. So, incorporating garlic into your daily routine can have a multitude of health benefits. If you're worried about the strong odor, there are ways to mitigate it. Chewing on fresh parsley or mint leaves after consuming garlic can help neutralize the smell. Drinking a glass of milk has also been shown to reduce garlic breath. So don't let the fear of bad breath stop you from reaping the benefits of this powerful natural remedy. And remember, consistency is key. The benefits of garlic are best realized when it's consumed regularly. So, make it a part of your daily routine and watch as your overall health improves. Lastly, if you're not a fan of raw garlic, you can also find garlic supplements in capsule form. These can be a convenient alternative, but make sure to choose high-quality supplements to ensure you're getting the full benefits. So, whether you choose to eat it raw, mix it with honey, or take it in supplement form, garlic is a versatile and powerful tool in your health arsenal. Give it a try and see the difference it can make in your life. Thanks again for watching, and don't forget to share this video with anyone who might benefit from the amazing properties of raw garlic. Stay tuned for more health tips and natural remedies.